Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, in a scathing attack on his YouTube page, West Indies and former Jamaica Tallawahs captain Gayle has outlined the reasons behind his decision to join the St. Lucia Zouks for this year's Caribbean Premier League T20 competition. More in this report.
Same time, you must take it upon yourself and do it properly. Do it properly, all right? I'm a big man. I'm not a boy. And this broadcasting or this interview, I could be disrespecting you from left, right to center. But I say, listen to me, you don't even work that, Jeff.
The self-proclaimed universe boss, Gayle, was in no mood to leave alone issues as he unleashed a stinging attack on what he called the lack of transparency and principles displayed by Tallawahs CEO Jeff Miller. Gayle, who rejoined the franchise in 2016, said he agreed to take 2 pay cuts for this year's staging, with all intentions of leading the team.
Even in that aspect, myself and Jeff was actually talking about who we're going to retain. You know, we're talking about the retention of players. We're talking about all these things. So Jeff gave the impression that, you know, I'm still a part of the team. He still need my input, help him selecting the team. And at the time, he mentioned definitely that Donovan Miller, the coach, you know, the management team will definitely have, will be totally changed. So I said, listen, it's not my franchise. It's your franchise. You guys do what you have to do.
Stunningly for the destructive batsman, he was bowled over when he got this update.
You know, CPL guys say, Chris, you know, we're not seeing your name here. What happened with you on the Tallawahs? I'm like, what? But I just leave it at that. I didn't contact Jeff. Jeff didn't contact me and say, Chris, we're not signing you. We're not going to retain you. Jeff hasn't come back to me and said anything. And from my understanding as well, with all these talks in the media, you didn't even contact the coach. Out of respect. Out of respect, Jeff. You wouldn't even contact the coach and say, listen to me, thank you for your service. You know, we no longer need you.
The Tallawahs finished bottom of the table in the last edition, but Gayle says he would be disappointed if players knew what was happening behind the scenes and didn't tell him.
Those guys can't even send a text because those guys are the first one to see you. When they see you, they say legend. They say all sorts of things. But it's not every player loyal. It's not every player loyal. And you players know I'm very loyal to you guys, you know. I look out for you, you know. Most of your career, you know. I help blossom it, you know. But I'm not even going to talk about that, but
the 2020 CPL is scheduled to run from August 19 to September 26, with the draft tentatively set for May 31.